Subscribe our channel Online Islamic Classes English for English videos, and also subscribe our channel Online Islamic Classes Urdu for Urdu videos, and don't forget to click on the bell icon for all the new videos so you will get all the notifications.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Hafiz Bilal Ahmed and you are learning Namaz for Men. Today inshallah we will read Darood Sharif according to the rules of Tajweed. Let us move to the lesson. So here is Darood Sharif. In the last class we read Tashahhud, and after that now we said Darood Sharif. If you are on the second rak'ah and want to complete your namaz, so you will continue Darood Sharif and then Rabbi Ja'alni Muqima Salah. This like dua, and you have to complete your namaz. Otherwise you have to stand up for third rak'ah, which I already told in the last class, but right now we are completing our namaz, so that's why we will start Darood Sharif now. So you have to listen me first and then try and concentrate on the colors as well. So the first is Hamza. We connect with the name of Allah. Here is again the name of Allah is coming in green color, so we read the name of Allah in heavy sound due to Fatha is coming before the name of Allah. That's why Allah. Okay, Hamza we connect with the name of Allah with the heavy sound, and then we long here due to standing Fatha. Allah. Ha we connect with the meme. Meme is in red color. We make nasal sound like gunna. The rule is that when meme and noon both letters come with shad sign, you will make always gunna there. So we say humma. The gunna sound goes into nose. Humma. So we say Allahumma. Allahumma. Swat connect with the lam. Swal. Lam has kasra li. Swal li. Ain has fatha a. Lam has standing fatha la. We long. Ala. Ala. Meme has dhamma. Ha connect with the meme. Muham. Again here is meme in red color, like the shad sign is coming on the meme. Gunna. Muhamma. Dal we connect with the waw, diu, and make the round shape of your lips in the end. When you connect dal with the waw, it will be Muhammadin. And we are making again nasal sound here, diu. This is idgham with gunna. After the tanween, tanween is called double fatha, double kasra or double dhamma. After the tanween, if a waw comes, so we make idgham with gunna, so we say Muhammadin. Waw has fatha wa, ain has fatha a, wa'a. Lam has a standing fatha and mud sign is as well. We long here wa'ala, wa'ala. So we say all together Muhammadin wa'ala. Hamza has standing fatha a. Lam we read with kasra li, ali. Meme again here is Muhammadin. So here is dal in pink color. So when pink color come, we make ikhfa sound, like we hide the sound of noon or tanween into nose. So that's why we will hide after the double kasra like tanween. There is letter kaf is coming, which is the ikhfa letter. There are 15 total letters of ikhfa. So we say this Muhammadin ka, dinka, right? We hide the sound of noon. We say again Muhammadin ka. Kaf has fatha ka, mean we long here due to alif madda kama. So we say all together Muhammadin kama, din. Okay, noon sound is hiding. Muhammadin kama, and also you long once again. Swat connect with the lam, swal, lam connect with the ya li, swallaita, Sallaita. Ain has fatha, lam again has tiny fatha, ala. Hamza connect with the ba, ib. Again here is kalkala letter but weak kalkala, as kalkala letter is coming in the word. Ib, ra has fatha, we long here due to alif madda, and ra is also in green color, we will make heavy sound. Ib, ra. How we connect with the ya? Ya is madda there, we long. Hima. Ibrahima. Ibrahima. Waw has fatha, ain again has fatha, wa'ala. Wa'ala. Ali. The same words are coming again. Ali. Ibrahima. Ibrahima. Hamza connect with the noon, make nasal sound, gunna sound. Innaka. We are not longing anywhere instead of gunna sound. Innaka Hamidum. Again we long here, ya madda is coming, mim we long due to ya. Ya has a sukun sign, there is a kasra before, that's why we long. And dal connect with the mim due to idgham with gunna. After the tanween, if mim come, we make idgham with gunna, and also mim is coming with a shad sign on it, we make gunna sound as well. Hamidum. Majid. Majid. So we say ma and jim connect with the ya, long. Here is ya madda, and on the dal there is double dhamma and there is a stop sign as well. If you stop, so you will make kalkala letter, Majid. So this kalkala will be strong kalkala, and the kalkala letter is coming in the end, that's why we make strong kalkala here, Majid. Now I say this complete now. Allahumma. Allahumma salli ala. Salli ala Muhammadin. Muhammadin wa ala ali. Wa ala ali Muhammadin kama. Muhammadin kama صليت صليت على إبراهيم على إبراهيم وعلى آل إبراهيم وعلى آل إبراهيم إنك حميد مجيد. حميد مجيد. Now I say again. اللهم صل على محمد وعلى آل محمد كما صليت على إبراهيم كما صليت على إبراهيم وعلى آل إبراهيم إنك حميد مجيد. And the next is Allahumma. The same, again you read already. Allahumma. Ba we long due to alif madda here. Barik. Ra connect with the kaf. Rik. Barik. Ala. Okay, on the kaf, make the minus sound of kaf. Barik. Barik. Ala Muhammadin, Muhammadin, wa ala ali, wa ala ali Muhammadin kama, Muhammadin kama barakta. So bawi long alif madda, due to alif madda. Barak, ra connect with the kaf. Kaf is light kaf here. Barak, rak, okay. Barakta, barakta ala Ibrahim, ala Ibrahim wa ala ali Ibrahim, wa ala ali Ibrahim innaka, innaka Hamidun Majid, Hamidun Majid. Now I all say complete. So listen. Allahumma barik ala Muhammadin wa ala ali Muhammad وعلى آل محمد كما باركت على إبراهيم وعلى آل إبراهيم وعلى آل إبراهيم إنك حميد Majid. Alhamdulillah, we have completed Darood Sharif, and if you have any kind of question regarding this, please leave a message under this video. Inshallah, in the next class, we will complete this namaz. And if you didn't subscribe my channel, Online Islamic Classes English, so please subscribe it. And also, if you like this video, click on the like button and share with your friends. Have a nice time. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.